Mr. Vikram. Very quickly, sir, I have a couple of questions for you. The first one being, this is the first time that PhillipCapital has put this conference together for MidCaps. Which are the companies that have attended today? If you can just give us a brief gist on the same.
See, we have very interesting companies from logistics, agri and textiles attending our MidCap conference. And we see a lot of traction happening in these sectors, particularly if you look at logistics, post GST, e-way bill which is coming. We are seeing a lot of things are happening, changing structurally for the logistic companies. So we have Patel Integrated Logistic in MidCap stock, which is basically in road transportation as well as the air cargo handling. And basically we see these companies see huge opportunity post GST in terms of warehousing and consolidation. In agri, we have Captain Polyplast, who is doing extremely good job in terms of micro irrigation, where government is talking about doubling the farmer income, and micro irrigation, if you look at the potential is huge and the penetration level is currently very small. And they are doing good job in Gujarat and now expanding in other states. We have white organics in organic space. Now we are seeing good demand coming for herbal and Ayurvedic products, and that I think is creating niche in terms of our organic side. And I think they are having first mover advantage in terms of production. I think that is some space we are seeing huge demand coming up. In textile also, garment side government has started giving a lot of incentives and export subsidies and all that. So Sudhiti Industry is one we have in textile who is doing garmenting and some their own retail and branding job. So recently, I think few days back also they started their own licensing with Yuvraj Singh and Anushka Sharma and all that. So we have a couple of interesting companies in all this mid-cap space.
Fair. So all in all, we can say that the multiple industries that you just spoke about are all on the growth. How's the response been from these companies who have come in today with reference to this conference being put together by PhillipCapital?
In fact, we have very good response from the fund side, in fact much more encouraging than what we anticipated. Investors are looking for more and more mid-cap and innovative ideas, the companies who are doing differentiated job in their respective sectors. And that's where I think mid-cap space is getting more and more interested now, the kind of inflows funds are seeing. So I think it's a very good response we have got for the first conference.
Great. Kudos to you. Thank you so much. Thank you to PhillipCapital and to yourself for putting this together. It was a pleasure speaking with you.
Thank you very much.